I welcome you all back to our YouTube channel. Today, let us see how we can write Dinka alphabets. Dinka alphabets, we have Kidit Tongjang, ku Kit Kor Tongjang. That means capital letters and small letters. So let us begin from capital letters. A, Ba, Sha, Da, Do, E, Ga, O, I, Ja, Ka, La, Ma, Na, Na, Nya, Nga, Ta. We have to delete this one. Ta, To. Wu, Wa, O, O, Pa, Ra, Ya. Let me read again. A, Ba, Sha, Da, Do, E, Ga, O, I, Ja, Ka, La, Ma, Na, No, Nya, Nga, Ta, To. Wu, Wa, O, O, Pa, Ra, Ya. Abashada do go i Jakalamana na nyengatato Uwa o paraya Uwa o paraya Uwa o paraya Abashada do go i Jakalamana na nyengatato Uwa o paraya, uwa o paraya, uwa o paraya. A, Ba, Sha, Da, Do, E, Ga, O, I, Ja, Ka, La, Ma, Na, Na, Nya, Nga, Ta, Ta. Wu, Wa, O, Pa, Ra, Ya. Okay, guys, these are the Kidit Tongjang. Let me write them here. Kidit, Kidit Dinka or Tongjang. Kidit Tongjang. Tongjang. Kidit Tongjang. So these are the capital letters. Let me do it like this so that I make the difference. Okay, let us read from line 1. A, ba, sha, da. Then line 2. Do, e, ga. Line 3. O, e, ja, ka. Line 4. La, ma, na, na. Line 5. Nya, nga, ta, to. Line 6. Wu, wa, o, Line 7. Pa, ra, ya. Then a, ba, sha, da, do, e, go, o, i, ja, ka, la, ma, na, nya, nga, ta, to, wu, wa, o, pa, ra, ya. Abashada ego yakalama na nyingatato. Uwa o paraya. Uwa o paraya. Uwa o paraya. Uwa o paraya. Okay, guys, if you find this one useful, tell me so that I can be writing them in tablet. Next, I will be writing them small letters so that we learn together. Okay, bye, guys. Nyari kuyania.